It's cool this morning. We're at 60 degrees with a north wind at 9 miles per hour. The humidity is in check. When it's below 60, it feels a lot more crisp outside, and that's what John Thomas was alluding to just before the commercial break. We see the mid-50s inland get closer to the 80-degree sea surface temperatures of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's influencing our coastal thermometers in the low 70s, both in Port Aransas and in Flower Bluff. It's also a little breezier near the coast, up to 20 miles per hour in Port A. 5 to 10 miles per hour on the wind speeds for inland areas. It's very clear this morning. A lot of stars out and about behind this front that came through yesterday during the 10 o'clock hour in Corpus Christi. High pressure to the north. That's going to keep us with sun-filled skies today. This, though, it's going to work to the east tomorrow, and that's going to start to bring back the humidity levels, and that's going to keep on coming for Thursday, too, which will be a humid day. That's the system that brought the front down here. You see all the cold air behind it. Plenty of 30s and 40s to go around, but we're on the tail end of it, so we're closer to 60 degrees here this morning. Okay, water vapor is having a little bit of a hiccup, but you can see that that's the system that we're going to be tracking right here north of the Pacific Northwest. That will be the one to deliver what looks like, in my opinion, the strongest front of the season so far. We still have a few days to refine this, and I will say before we start talking about what this is going to do, that one of the more reliable models is way weaker, way slower with this thing, so there's still some uncertainty, but the more we get to know this, like tomorrow, I'm going to have a much better idea. The more we get to know this, the better of a forecast we're going to be able to deliver. Right now, it looks like a pre-dawn arrival on Friday morning of this cold front, and there would be some showers Thursday and Friday morning as this approaches and arrives, but this front would deliver some cold temperatures to us if it does hold true to form as of to this morning. We'll be in the mid-80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, dropping highs down into the 60s Friday, may get into the 40s by Saturday morning, and that would be the first time since April the 14th. In the springtime here. So that's going to be one to watch here, and we'll do that for the rest of the week. But mid-50s this morning inland, 60s closer to the coast. Notice that we're not going to see any clouds today, only the temperatures changing on the map here. Mid-80s again this afternoon with sun-filled skies, down into the mid-60s tonight. Mid-80s tomorrow, and by late in the afternoon, we should start to see some clouds roll back in as humidity does start to go back up. Today, comfortable on the muggy meter, bouncing up to humid here on Wednesday afternoon and Thursday, so that humidity will be felt. Today's going to be, I think, the nicest day of the remainder of the work week. Sun-filled skies, 84, low humidity, little breezy with an east to northeast 10 to 20 mile per hour wind tonight. Mid-60s, it'll be comfortable, a little bit cool out there, but comfortable with a light breeze, 6 to 12 miles per hour. A few more clouds late in the day Wednesday, some scattered shower activity Thursday in prelude to Friday morning's front. And that would give us one more shot at rain early Friday, but should dry us up in the afternoon. It will be windy if the forecast holds, 20 to 30 mile per hour north winds. And you see there, 66 Friday, 48 Saturday morning, with chilly mornings and mild afternoons, sunshine for the weekend.